Hi everyone, my name is Ashrik Kohli and today I want to talk about a critical issue that affects us all, cybersecurity and cyber warfare. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity refers to the practices and technologies designed to protect our computers, networks, and data from unauthorized access and attacks. The growing threat. In today's digital age, cyber attacks have become more frequent and sophisticated. From hacking into personal accounts to large scale attacks on governments and businesses, the threat is real and growing. Impact of cyber attacks. A single cyber attack can have devastating consequences. It can lead to the loss of sensitive information, financial damage, and even disrupt essential services like healthcare and utilities. Types of cyber attacks. Phishing attack. One common type of attack is phishing attack, where attackers trick individuals into revealing personal information like passwords and credit card numbers. Ransomware. Another dangerous form is ransomware, where attackers lock your data and demand payment to release it. Imagine losing access to all your important files overnight. Nation state attacks. We also see nation state attacks engaging in cyber warfare, targeting other countries' infrastructure, stealing intelligence, and interfering with elections. These attacks can undermine national security and global stability. Importance of international cooperation. Why cooperation is essential? Given the global nature of the internet, cybersecurity cannot be handled by one country alone. We need international cooperation to effectively combat these threats. Global agreements. Countries need to come together to create global agreements and standards for cybersecurity. This includes sharing information about threats and developing common strategies to defend against them. Collaborative efforts. International organizations like the United Nations can play a key role in fostering collaboration. By working together, countries can enhance their cyber defenses and respond more effectively to incidents. Individual responsibilities. Stay informed. While governments and organizations have a significant role, individuals also need to be vigilant. Stay informed about the latest threats and learn how to protect yourselves online. Use strong passwords. Always use strong, unique passwords for your account and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Be cautious online. Be cautious about the links you click and the information you share online. Educate yourselves and others about common cyber threats. Conclusion. A collective effort. Cybersecurity is a collective effort. By working together at the international level and being proactive as individuals, we can make the digital world a safer place. Call to action. Let's all commit to staying informed and supporting policies that enhance global cybersecurity. Together, we can protect our future in this increasingly connected world. Thank you for listening and let's work together to secure our digital lives. This script aims to provide a clear, informative, and impactful message that highlights the importance of cybersecurity and the need for international cooperation to address cyber threats. Thank you and have a nice day.